You may not know much about Petit Pas, or you may not know much about ballet or Swan Lake. But if you come to Ailey, there's something that you can connect to. And maybe I think that's one of the many things that's special about the company. It's accessible.
I think if you've never seen the company before, expect the unexpected. But if you've seen the company before, now it's under me, so expect the unexpected. So you get revelations, you get the works that have made the company what it is today, but then you also get to see that we're still moving forward.
We come into contact with a lot of different types of audiences, some that have lots of theater etiquette, some that don't know what theater etiquette is and might just be really excited and loud, and some audiences are very, very quiet.
Alvin Ailey realized that dance was a way to talk about things. Dance had this ability to break barriers and open doors. So Alvin really loved the idea of bringing dance to the people.
So on the UK tour, we get to visit 2 new cities, Southampton and Canterbury. And what I hope they'll get a chance to enjoy about our company is that they can see themselves through us, and also come and enjoy the energy that we're going to give them, and also to see ballets that will really lift them, lift their spirit, and hopefully they'll change. When you come to the theater, when you leave, you should be changed.